Actin is a fundamental protein that plays a crucial role in various cellular functions, particularly in cell movement and muscle contraction. It is one of the most abundant proteins in eukaryotic cells, making up a significant portion of the cytoskeleton, which provides structural support and shape. Actin exists in two forms: globular actin, known as G-actin, which is the monomeric form, and filamentous actin, or F-actin, which is the polymerized form that forms long, thin filaments. This dynamic nature allows actin to respond rapidly to signals within the cell, contributing to various cellular processes. One of the most significant functions of actin is its involvement in muscle contraction. In muscle cells, actin filaments interact with another protein called myosin. This interaction is essential for the sliding filament model of muscle contraction. When a muscle receives a signal from the nervous system, myosin heads bind to actin filaments and pull them closer together, resulting in muscle shortening and contraction. This mechanism not only allows for voluntary movements like walking and lifting, but also underlies involuntary processes such as heartbeat and digestion. In addition to muscle contraction, actin plays a pivotal role in cell motility. Cells utilize actin filaments to move by a process known as amoeboid movement. This involves the extension of cellular protrusions called lamellipodia and filopodia, driven by the polymerization of actin at the leading edge of the cell. These extensions anchor to the substrate, while the rest of the cell body is pulled forward. This is vital for various physiological processes, including wound healing, immune responses, and tissue development, showcasing how actin is dynamic and essential to life. Moreover, actin filaments are involved in intracellular transport and help maintain the cell's architecture. They facilitate the movement of organelles and vesicles within cells, ensuring that essential materials are distributed where needed. The stability and organization of these filaments are regulated by a myriad of actin-binding proteins. These proteins can promote actin polymerization, depolymerization, or cross-linking into different structures, thereby allowing the precise control of cellular shape and movement. In conclusion, actin is not just a structural component, but a dynamic player in numerous cellular functions. Its essential roles in muscle contraction and cell motility underline the importance of this protein in both health and disease. By understanding actin's functions and behaviors, researchers can gain insights into various physiological processes, paving the way for potential therapeutic approaches to conditions affecting muscle function, cell movement, and tissue integrity.